I'd like to thank each table, each of these tables and all the representatives of radio stations sitting on these tables for their very, very active participation, for the fantastic sharing and learning, and I think we've already started the process of learning. The best part I liked about this workshop, because we were involved in the logistics and retailing and all these things, and I was not here as a participant, but I really liked the way that all the peer stations decided on this list. You know, it just was the beginning. There was no animosity. There was no fighting over where you want to go. There was so much of giving that, okay, if you want to go to the station, so aap chale jao. मैं कभी और चला जाऊंगा, मैं यहाँ चला जाऊंगा. You know, that kind of spirit where everybody was willing to give space to the other was really beautiful. As an observer, I can say that. And also deciding not only on the pairs and being so happy of, you know, pairing with someone who you have not spent any time with. So that was very beautiful actually for me, and the happiness that अच्छा मैं आपके साथ हूँ, आप इधर आ जाओ. You know, I really saw that happening, and I think that this is the beginning of a very, very strong bond and strengthening of the bond of community radio stations. Everyone has said learn, 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 but I think it's also about share, share, share. You can only learn when somebody is sharing with you and talking to you. Otherwise, how will you learn? If you keep knowledge to yourself, then obviously you are not learning anything from anyone. I would particularly thank all the facilitators and Rukmini in particular. She's the best trainer we have in this sector, and she's a very good friend. Don't think I'm just talking about a friend, but I feel this from the core of my heart. She's very patient. She never loses her cool. She listens to everybody, and she gives everyone space to talk. So I think, and she has a lot to give us and a lot to share. So I think हम लोग पहले रुक्मणी के लिए एक round of applause तो करें. So thank you, Rukmini. And I think the ministry chose you for the right reasons, क्योंकि आप में वो गुण है कि आप सबको एक साथ ले लेती हैं. And ministry को तो हम शुक्रिया कहते कहते थक जाएंगे, because although Supriya ji is not here, but I think Regimon साहब वो पीछे से इतना ज़्यादा support देते हैं और push करते हैं. So half the time I think the push comes from Grewal ji and his section. The CR section is here, and I would like them to stand, and we would like to acknowledge their hard work. आप लोग please last table पे खड़े हो जाएं. I would please clap for them, क्योंकि हम लोग की सारी फाइलें, keeping the sector going, getting new stations on board, clarifying issues. My special thanks to the PMU team. I would like the PMU team to stand up. इन लोगों को पहचान लें अच्छे से आप लोग, क्योंकि ये हमारे लिए इस मूवमेंट के लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट टीम है. जब हम when we put in our applications for the community support fund, community radio support fund, they are the ones who are going to vet our files and do all the homework. So thank you so much, Amit, Pankaj. Sorry, I forgot your name. Abhijit. All three of you, you've been there and you participated, and I think it's been a learning experience for all of you. Thank you so much, Grewal ji, on behalf of CRA and on behalf of all the participants, Mr. Regimon and Mr. Grewal. It's been a fantastic process, as Supriya ji said on the first day, that I don't think in any other ministry or in any other department, peers are given this kind of freedom, and as you know, this is the freedom of expression time. So I think this is also an indication of the ministry's commitment. I would also like to share one information that today there is an ad on the last page of, I think, Times of India or Indian Express, one of the Indian Express, one of the newspapers, where for the first time when they are talking about information, and the second page of Times in all the newspapers, I think I saw it on the last page, that 163 stations are being mentioned in the achievements of the Ministry of IMD. And I think all of us deserve a clap for this, because it's also showing that ये sector कितना आगे बढ़ रहा है और कितना काम हो रहा है इस sector में, that the ministry is also acknowledging it. I think for the first time in 10 years, in an ad of Ministry of IMD, community radio is being focused upon. So thank you so much. This wouldn't have happened without your continuous support. And thanks for giving PRA this opportunity.